If you own a home in Glendale, you may not realize just how much your old windows could be costing you. From higher energy bills to reduced home comfort, outdated windows can have a significant impact on your quality of life. Upgrading to new, energy-efficient windows can provide numerous benefits, from improved curb appeal to increased property value. Here's why replacing old windows in your Glendale home is a smart investment. Enhanced energy efficiency. Glendale's warm climate means air conditioning is essential for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. However, old windows with worn seals or single-pane glass allow heat to enter your home, forcing your cooling system to work harder. Modern windows feature energy-efficient materials such as low emissivity, low E glass and double or triple pane designs that help regulate indoor temperatures. This can significantly reduce your energy bills and lessen your environmental impact. Improved home comfort. Do you notice hot or cold spots in certain areas of your home? Old windows often allow drafts, making some rooms feel uncomfortable regardless of how much you run your HVAC system. New windows with proper insulation and tight seals help maintain consistent indoor temperatures, improving your overall comfort year-round. Whether it's Glendale's hot summers or cool winter nights, your home will feel more pleasant with modern windows. Increased home value. Upgrading your home's windows is one of the best ways to boost its value. Prospective buyers in Glendale appreciate energy-efficient features and modern aesthetics, which means new windows can make your home more attractive on the market. Additionally, homes with updated windows often sell faster and at a higher price compared to those with outdated models. This makes replacing old windows a smart financial move, whether you plan to sell soon or stay for years to come. Enhanced curb appeal. Windows play a major role in the appearance of your home. Outdated or deteriorating windows can make even the most well-kept property look worn down. Replacing your old windows with modern designs can give your home a fresh, updated look. With a variety of styles, colors, and frame materials available, you can choose windows that complement your home's architecture and enhance its overall aesthetic. Better noise reduction. Living in Glendale means dealing with outside noise, whether it's from traffic, neighbors, or local events. Old windows often fail to block out unwanted sounds, leading to a noisy indoor environment. New windows with advanced soundproofing features, such as laminated glass or multiple panes, significantly reduce noise pollution. This creates a quieter, more peaceful home, enhancing your overall living experience. Reduced maintenance and increased durability. Older windows often require frequent repairs, repainting, and maintenance due to wear and tear. Modern windows are designed with durable materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, and composite, which resist weather damage and require minimal upkeep. Many newer models also feature easy-to-clean designs, making window maintenance a breeze. Enhanced home security. Your windows play a crucial role in your home's security. Older windows with weak locks or single-pane glass can be an easy target for intruders. New windows come with advanced locking mechanisms and impact-resistant glass, making it much more difficult for potential burglars to gain entry. Replacing your old windows adds an extra layer of security and peace of mind for you and your family. Protection from UV damage. Glendale's abundant sunshine can take a toll on your home's interior. Prolonged exposure to UV rays can cause fading and damage to furniture, flooring, and artwork. Modern windows with low E coatings block harmful UV rays while still allowing natural light to brighten your space. This helps protect your belongings and preserves the beauty of your home's interior. Final thoughts. Replacing old windows in your Glendale home is more than just a cosmetic upgrade. It's an investment in energy efficiency, comfort, security, and value. Whether you want to reduce your energy bills, enjoy a quieter living space, or enhance your home's curb appeal, modern windows offer numerous benefits. If your current windows are outdated, drafty, or damaged, now is the perfect time to explore your options and make the switch to new, high-quality replacements.